Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? OG Larry from GTradestv, sitting here in the office doing a little homework, doing a little research before the market opens back up tomorrow. That being said, this is not financial advice, just a little information that might help you change your life. If not, help you change your portfolio from being down to going to the upside. So with that being said, I got a couple of stocks I want you to put on your radar. That's ticker symbol Nbis and ticker symbol CIFR. Nebius Group and Cifr. I'm gonna talk about Nebius Group first because that's my top watch for this week and beyond as far as data center plays, along with APLD and APP, even Wolf. We got some hot stocks that are getting ready to jump with this AI power infrastructure boom and this data center boom. So you want to have these on your radar. Let's talk about Nebius Group, and the analysts had a price target on this from anywhere from $150 all the way up to $200. It's generally bullish. It held up last week as the market was pulling back, which was one thing that had it on what got my attention. When everything was pulling back and dropping real hard, Nebius Group was kind of maintaining and holding. It's up to $98, and it was as high as $100. And like I said, the targets they have anywhere from 84 to a low to a high of $211 on this chart, with an average of around 150. The 52-week high on it is 141. Let me look at this chart right here. I'm pretty sure about that. So they have, some analysts have it as a strong buy because it has a high AI growth potential and infrastructure play. So the company is focused on AI infrastructure and cloud services with the potential for rapid expansion, high margins, and according to some analysts, potential for $9 billion annual recurring revenue, ARR. So the strategic moves in this is positioned as AI acquisition target in 2026, meaning they could be bought out by a company like Nvidia or an Apple or even an Amazon or even a Tesla, one of the Mag 7 stocks that are going to need this power that this company is going to produce. So you got to watch out for that. So they got support from subsidiaries like ClickHouse and Avride, and as of this month, right here in February, the short and long-term moving averages suggest a positive trend. And like I said, on Friday, it was maintaining its upward momentum, even though the market was pulling back. It had let me look at the SPY, because overall, the market just took a serious dump Friday. You got it on the SPY. I'm looking at this chart right here. It had the ugliest big red engulfing candle that you've seen in a while. But at the same time, Nbis didn't. So put this on your radar. You know, it's gonna have a potential to have massive computing power, and it's gonna be high demand for it. And the next one is Cifr. Cifr used to be a Bitcoin mining company, and they made the pivot. They're trading at $16.42 right now. Their 52-week high is where is it at? Right around 25.50. So it has a lot of room back to the upside, and it's gaining a little steam as far as the AI infrastructure boom, because now they're pivoting towards high performance computing and data center infrastructure, because theirs is already built, which gives them a moat, which gives them an advantage, a competitive advantage, and that's very important. So because they already have power and facilities, and that's the hardest part. So you want to have a Cifr on your radar, Nebius Group on your radar, along with APP, along with Wolf, along with APLD, which is one of my favorites, which is in consolidation right now. Did a video on that a week or so ago, and that's going to be on the move. So these data center stocks and infrastructure stocks are about to move, and even though the market's pulling back right now, this is the time when people start to selling and start getting scared, and the VIX is going up and the volatility is high. You want to this is where you be patient and watch what these stocks do, watch the trend, and even if they get to a good buy zone, like right now, at under $100, I think Nebius is a good buy. At $16.42, I think Cifr is a good buy. So with these stocks having the potential that they have to the upside after this little downtrend is over, because I don't think the market is headed for bear market territory. That's going to be determined by price action. It's not for me to try to guess it. And if it does, you just want to be prepared and not surprised and have your money right, have it cash up, and get ready to attack. Get ready to be like a sniper. When they panic, you be ready to pounce on whatever move that you have on your radar that's in your price area. So with that being said, just a quick update, quick tap in to see if you guys want to put these 2 stocks on your radar. If you appreciate this content, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Help me get this algorithm on my side. You know, my journey is getting there. I'm pushing towards 100 videos, so I'm still hanging in there. And if it just helps one person and make some money, or give you an idea, or find out something you might not have known about along the way, then I feel like it's still cool to be on here trying to pass this information along. So we'll get on out of here. APP and Wolf probably tomorrow, so y'all look for them because they're about to pump with these data center plays also. So that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here. Peace.